Halo Sahabat Gaming, berjumpa lagi di channel ini. Kali ini kita akan melanjutkan misi lagi di game GTA 5. Terakhir kita menjalankan misi Polisi ya. Kali ini kita misinya dengan Michael nih. Seperti apa keseruannya? Mari kita lihat ya bagaimana kita akan menjalankan misi kali ini. Skuy. Oke, tadi sini sudah ada karakter Michael. Nah, ini mobil, kita ambil mobilnya dulu. Wow, sorry ya. Agak barbar dikit nih Michael. Mobilnya yang ada warna birunya nih. Ini dia mobil kita nih. Oke. Mereknya Audi. Ayo, halo. Oke, ini kita menuju ke M ya. Kita ke rumah dulu. Oke. Ini kita terobos saja lampu merah ya. Ini belok ke sini ya. Betul ya. Ini oke. Arah-arah kimochi. Oh, kencang juga mobil Audi ini ya. Wow. Hey. Nice ride.
I'm so into this paleo diet.
Oke. Kita lanjutkan. Hampir ya. Belok ke kiri. Terus What's up, man? Ini rumah kita sebelah kanan ya. Ini dia. Itu kayak mobil siapa? Apa namanya? Oke, ini Michael safe house. You can save vehicle by parking them in the garage. Sleep in a bed to save your game. Jadi kita bisa sama seperti siapa namanya? Nah, ini kita bisa ganti pakaian di sini. Nah, ini ada ruang tamu. Walk around to house to find various activity to take part in. Ini ada dapur ya. Bagus juga nih. Ini kok pakai senjata nih? Kenapa Michael? Ini coba kita masuk ke rumah dulu. Oke, sudah berganti dengan malam dan berganti dengan paginya lagi.
Why the fuck not? He is not staying the night. He's a bum. I don't even know.
Oke, pagi-pagi sudah ada yang ribut ya. Kita loadingnya saja dulu.
Let's take Amanda's car.
Oke. Ini ada
Hey,
panggilan
Jim.
Jimmy.
I'm going for a drink with...
Dad, shit! I'm in our boat going down the Western Highway. It's been stolen.
What? The yacht's been stolen?
I
Kapal kita sudah
trying
dicuri
to sell it.
kata si
I
Jimmy
know
ya,
you
kata
didn't
anak
want
si
it sold,
Michael.
but I need money, and they don't want to buy it. They just want to take it. I'm hiding in the head.
Sepertinya Jimmy
You're
sedang
insane!
bermasalah ketipu
All right, I'm
kayaknya.
coming. For my
Papa
boat.
minta pulsa?
Alrighty then. Change of plans. My darling boy is in trouble.
Hey, I'll help you out.
Oke. Kita ke Amanda's car. Oh, wait. Kita, oh ya, namanya Franklin ya. Kita aja Franklin. Ini yang belakang nih Franklin. Nah, Franklin. Oke, ini Franklin. Ini Amanda's car. Mobilnya istrinya nih. Oke, kita menuju. Oh.
Lesson number 1. Don't ever have kids.
Hey, man.
don't. Shit, motherfuckers would be
Katanya,
lucky to sit in a bathtub.
Listen number
Shit,
one,
things that
don't have
desperate,
kids.
No, but you know,
Oh,
shit, I
man.
was making a point.
Kadang anak itu
Apologizing,
sering berbuat masalah ya.
self-deprecation.
Tapi ya
I know
begitulah.
it well.
Yeah, man, but shit, where the
Kehidupan.
boat at?
Little shit's been
Kita
hijacked.
sebagai
Somewhere on
manusia
the Western Highway.
ya harus
Man, ain't you
meneruskan
About my boat? Yeah, I am.
But you can always buy another boat.
Yeah, tell my
Yeah.
accountant that.
Man, you can always get credit for one.
But have you come repo it? No,
No.
thank you.
All right, homie.
I ain't your homie. I'm someone you want to impress.
Dia lagi
Real.
dikasih nasihat
Man, I
sama
thought
si
you was
Franklin.
retired. Why the fuck do I want to impress some slipper wearing motherfucker?
Minggir. Gimana kabutnya? But.
Oh,
Oh, itu dia butnya.
there it is. That's my boat.
Your boat's
Oke.
in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll
That's my
catch
boat.
him.
Hey, what we about to do?
Get
I'm gonna
Franklin
get you close, and you're gonna go board that thing.
All right, man. Fuck it,
Oh.
let's do this.
All right, I got a piece in the glove box. They give you shit, I'll take them out.
Oke, ini
All that's cool, man.
misi.
You shoot with one hand and driving with the other. But my motherfucking concern is, I like this to jump and
Ini
fall
bahaya
the
nih, harus
fucking
dengan
track.
kecepatan dan.
You said you wanted to learn from the best.
Oh.
Let's call this lesson number one.
Oke, Franklin. Ayo.
Man, your woman,
Oke, Franklin. Go, Franklin. Go. Oh my god. Oke, Franklin. Hati-hati, Franklin.
Come on!
I'll pick up you. Hang on, Franklin. Kita mengejar. Shit.
Come on.
Come on.
Fuck, kid.
Oh, kita perlu.
Crap!
Oh my god.
Fuck! Throw him overboard! Oh, they didn't! They
Oh.
fucking shot the engine! Fuck!
Phew.
Hey, there ain't room up there for the both of you! Hey, you asshole! Hey, stop throwing assholes at me!
Ayo, Franklin. Tolong selamatkan anak saya, Franklin.
You know who you're stealing from? Get the jump on
Ini
him,
nggak saya
Frank!
tembak ya.
Hey, ain't you calling me?
Oh, hey, kita.
I just trying to kill me, man! Ah, this is gonna kill me!
Oh, sorry, Franklin. Cuma, oke.
All right, now look for my son!
Dad? Wait, you're the guy from the dealership.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a long story, bro. Jimmy!
No.
Oh,
Kid,
Jimmy.
watch out for the boat.
Oke, tunggu. Hold on. Oke, ini Jimmy hampir jatuh nih. Kita kejar catch Jimmy.
I'll get under you as soon as I can! Don't you let go
Okay.
of that thing! Hey, this little... The fuck is wrong with you, kid?
Dad!
Don't dare
Hampir
me, you
ya.
little shit! You better hope she's still seeing
Ayo, Franklin.
Ah,
Sudah cukup, Franklin.
shit!
Franklin.
Shit! Ah, shit! Come on, kid! Come on,
Come on, kid.
Come on! Hey! Get me off! Damn!
Come on, Franklin.
Hey,
Jump.
hang close! Right behind you, homie! Come on!
Oke, Franklin. Good job.
Remind me
Good
not
boy.
to come to you preparing it at right.
Oke, Franklin. Kita kejar kapalnya.
That everyone? Alright, time to get the boat back.
Oh, that sound is really bad ya.
Now that doesn't sound good.
hey, that's the engine, man. We ain't chasing shit in this thing.
Oh,
Don't break
sepertinya
down
kita
my
have
yacht.
engine trouble ya.
Ah, my fucking boat!
Aduh.
Hey, it's just a thing. Listen, I fucked up, okay? I'm not going to lie. That was a really bad judgment call. But shit, Dad, I nearly died. And all you give a shit about is this fucking boat.
Oh, really?
No, not that. It's
All we do is scream at each other. No wonder I can't get a job. It's all your fucking fault. Or
It's my
not,
fault,
but
kid?
It's hardly
No.
your fault. I mean, I just want to impress you.
by selling my boat to some gangbangers.
I know it sounds dumb when you put it like that, but
Inilah
all
anak ya.
you do is daydream or get angry.
Look,
I love you, Jimmy.
I love
But
you,
you're an
Jimmy.
asshole. And right now, with my boat disappearing over the horizon, that's all I can see.
Enough, kid.
Hey, I need a cab as soon as you can send one. Los Santos Customs, by the airport.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks.
Jadi Franklin
Thanks,
lagi
man.
menawarkan untuk
Hey man, we
atasi
might be
masalah
able to
si
find
Michael
a
ya.
boat, you know?
We ain't gonna find it. It's gone.
Man, I can ask around.
Don't worry about it. It's gone.
It's
I'll call the
gone.
insurance company.
You covered for fire and theft, right?
I'm guessing they don't get too many piracy claims on the Great Ocean Freeway, you know? Fuck. I hate paperwork.
Hey, so you
Whoa.
do much yachting?
Not anymore. No, I don't.
Before, I mean, man.
No, not really.
Yang mobilnya udah rusak emang ya.
This little shit stays in this
Harus
room
kayaknya
all
sekalian.
day, and I don't have many other people to go with, you know? I like looking at it.
Manipulasi.
Yeah, I come down to the marina, sit on the dock, pour myself a drink, and look at her. Jacqueline. It'd clear my head, you know, let me dream.
Jacqueline, huh?
Oke, dari
Well,
bawah ya.
maybe you need to do some other shit to fill your time. Dream other dreams, man.
Yeah, sure, whatever.
Dari bawah ini kita pergi ke tempat Los Santos, ke tempat repair mobil ya. Oke, ini kita hajar terus. Ini
You
belokkan
wanna go left
kiri.
here?
Oh, left here. Wow, ada helikopter. Oh, ada lapangan helikopter ya. Oke mbak, terus sehat ya, leleh terus. Oke.
Hey, this the place up here. I know this dude, man. His name
Oke, ini katanya
Howard.
sini
He
sampai
gonna
ini.
look after.
All right, take what's in my pocket, a couple $1,000. That'll cover it, right? So you sure you're good?
Yeah, I got this.
Oke, thank you Franklin. You sure good?
Get out and walk around.
It's okay, I can just climb over.
Look, man, I'm gonna get the ride fixed, man, and drop it back off at your house along with this dude. It's all good, though, man. You gonna get your head right, all right?
All right, listen, thanks for today. I appreciate it. You stop back out to the house,
Held
we'll
by
talk.
pressing A. Taxi can be held.
Show,
Oke.
man. Hey, sorry we
Ini
didn't
kedepannya
get
kita
your boat,
bisa
man.
panggil taksi dengan
Come
tekan
on,
E ya.
man, let's trick this whip, homie.
Oh, hancur kali wah mobil si Amanda ini. Kalau tahu Amanda, habis mereka. Untung ada auto repairs ya. Oke, di sini juga kita bisa respray atau mencat ulang kalau ada bintang ya. Ini dari sini kita
Let's
masuk.
do it, bro.
Yes.
Mama wants a spoiler.
Still need to get you out for one of the races,
Oh,
Franklin.
ini dia
See if
mobilnya.
you drive as fast as you talk.
Oke, ini kita repair vehicle free ya.
Are you trying to think of like the sickest ride that's even
Ini kita bisa
conceivable?
ganti brake,
Recondition.
bumper, engine, horn. Ini horn ini klakson ya. Kita ganti yang standar aja. Hemat uang ya. Ini bukan mobil kita juga nih. Jangan. Oke, ini kita antar si Jimmy nih, anak si Michael ya.
All right, man, I'm taking you home.
It's Franklin, right?
Yeah,
Yes, Frank.
Or the credit fraud guy. The home invader. You know what? Call me what you like, man.
Yeah,
Call me
no,
what you
I
like,
mean,
man.
sure.
Jimmy ain't my car, asshole. Jimmy ain't or James.
Jimmy. Or just like,
Ya ampun,
Jizzle.
baru kita perbaiki Pak.
Nah, man, I'll just stick with Jimmy, homie.
Ini lampu merah kita terobos saja. Wah.
careful.
Ini mobil Amanda, ya Allah. Gak apa guys, itu bisa kita perbaiki. Ini mobilnya bagus ya. Oh. Ini karena sedang mau dekat, kita perbaiki dulu. Oke, seperti baru ya. Namanya juga cheat. apalah hidup tanpa cheat. Oke, ini mobil Michael kok diparkir di tengah jalan nih. Ini terparkir di sini nih. Oke, sudah sampai.
Yo, so like, since we're both unemployed, like, we could run together, you know?
Yeah, I think about it, homie.
Or
I can
we
take
could just
part
like
in,
shop it, you know? Play darts or get our drink on. Strip clubs. Come on, dude, I get real crazy.
Yeah, I got your number, shit. I need it, man. But hey, you know what? Man, go easy on your pops, dog. All right?
All right, church.
Exactly, man.
Exactly,
My brother
man.
from another mother. I mean, I hope
My
so.
brother
'Cause
from
my mom was
another
kind of
mother.
a skank back in the day. See ya.
Yeah, whatever, homie. Peace.
Oke, ini sekarang kita sudah beralih ke karakter Franklin dan kita sudah mendapatkan nomor kontak si Jimmy dan Michael. Oke, teman-teman, sepertinya cukup sekian dulu di episode kali ini. Next episode kita akan melanjutkan misi bersama Franklin ya. Tentu saja di minggu depan. Jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe video ini supaya kalian tidak ketinggalan ceritanya. Nantikan terus video terbaru dari channel ini dan jaga kesehatan untuk kita semua. Like video ini jika kalian suka dan dislike video ini jika kalian tidak suka. Bye bye.